YouTube, what's up? We back at it. This is week 2 since the big chop. Today I'm gonna show you guys the products I use for my hair, stuff I do on a daily routine basis, just keep everything together. Beard, hair, when I use to moisturize and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick video, not as long as others. Just to keep you guys up to date on what I've been doing. So first things first, for the waves, what I've been using is just, a regular brush right here. It's a little handheld one. It's not too big. Got it like I don't know, probably Sally's, like a long time ago, Sally's Beauty Salon. But yeah, it's a medium brush, but for my hair length right now, it's not a problem. Usually, once your hair gets longer, it just goes towards the harder brushes, which I still need to buy. But for now, I'm good with this. I've been using to keep my hair is 360 style wave conditioner pomade. I like it just because it's not too sticky like some other pomades. And yeah, you just put it in your hair every day, brush. You can wash it out, put it back in your hair. So I like it. Firm hold, really nice. For the beard, what I've been using every day, 2 main products. Uncle Jimmy's beard softener. It does what it says. Basically, it softens the beard better than a lot of other products I use. It makes my beard nice and full. It's a really good scent to it, so I like that one. On top of it, I add Rich Beard Oil by Rick Ross. So I would just apply the beard softener in, get it nice and in the beard, add a little water to it, and I would just comb it out. After I do that, then I drop some beard oil in after the beard softener, just rub it in, comb it out again, and that makes it real shiny and nice. I don't know if you guys can see it in my beard right now. Put it on this morning, but definitely adds a gloss and shine to it. At the same time, make it smell nice and fresh. That's for the beard though, so we got that out the way. Yeah, for the waves, I just use 360 style Sporting Waves. Their conditioner / pomade is really good. What I do is I just apply it into my hair every day, brush with my medium brush, just brush it in. And I probably brush it at least like an hour a day, like 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there. So yeah, just keep brushing, that's the main key to it. So doing that so far. Usually when I take a shower, I shampoo my hair, so I wash the pomade out. And I just use Head and Shoulders. This one's a special tea tree oil one I use that I like. But yeah, after every shower, I just wash my hair. Sometimes I bring the brush in and brush the hair while I'm washing it. When I get out the shower, I apply the pomade back to my hair, brush again, and just wrap it up. Keeping it wrapped up is key too at night. Keeping those waves nice and cooking, baking in the kitchen. So basically just locking the moisture is what it's doing, but try and wear as much as often as you can. But yeah, that's basically what I've been doing so far. Time for the wave check. So here we go. All right, here we go. So this is my waves, 2 weeks in. Make sure you guys get a good look at it. So that's just with consistent brushing, applying the pomade. So definitely there's more waves at the top of the head than the rest of the head, and that's just because when I first cut my hair, as you guys saw in my last video, I did a drape kind of fade. So I balled it all around the sides and left hair at the top. So the ones on the sides are still really short and they're still growing, but once they catch up with the top, then you kind of see the wave pattern. So key is just to keep brushing, just like I did the top, all the way around. And yeah, we'll see how it goes like another week from now. Hopefully we'll get some more progress in. Yeah, that's just a little quick update with the wave journey. Stay tuned.